This is Mick from Mick's Backyard Hydroponics Aquaponics Farm. Hope you enjoy this video that you're going to watch. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe down the bottom with the little red tag. Please comment, suggest if you think I'm doing something wrong and need to correct it, please comment. And I hope you enjoy the video. Catch you later. Hey folks, welcome back for another update. Just looking at my capsicum here, and got a few ready to be picked. One down here, nice red one here. There's one. Another one around here somewhere. Another one in there. You can see that under there. Two, and one hiding in there somewhere, I think. Where is he? Down in there. There's three. So 3 capsicums. And as you can see, a bit of these little beauties coming. All there, another one there, everywhere, all down here, here, all down the back there. That's going pretty well. Going quite good actually. Yeah. Cucumbers, couple ready to pick, one there. Another nice one, ready to pick, and another one there, ready to be picked. Tomatoes, they're growing, they're a bit yellow at the moment. They're lacking a bit of nutrients, I had to put a bit of nutrients in. I've been a bit slack testing my nutrients to make sure it was up, but yeah, they'll come back. They're just a little bit unhappy at the moment, but they'll come back. So yeah, I'll pick these cucumbers, but we'll put these capsicums in the bag first. One nice capsicum, 2 nice capsicums. Oh, that's 3. Happy with that. Bag, and a cucumber, pick him off into the bag. Another cucumber up here, that's a nice size. That's a really good size cucumber, that one. So yeah, that's pretty good. So that's my pick of the garden, and everything seems to be going slowly, but yeah, like I said, I was a bit slack with the nutrients. But this capsicum certainly loves being in the pipe. It's coming along quite well. Lots of capsicums on there. So happy with that. So folks, hope you're having a very nice day. I'll leave it at that for this video, and I'll do a little video on the end of this on the weights and everything, and where we're up to with the weights on everything. Okay folks, hope you're having a nice day. I'll catch you later. Okay folks, welcome back. I measured in the cucumbers and they weighed in at 1 kilo, which brings it up to 9 kilos of cucumbers so far off those 3 bushes. So 9 kilos is equal to 19.8 pounds of cucumbers so far. Now capsicums I weighed in at 250 grams, around there. With the other 250 grams I got last pick works out 500 grams, which is 1.1 pound of capsicums so far. Now, capsicums have just started coming on, and so this is basically the first of the capsicums that I've got, was that lot and this lot. So there'll be more to come. So I'm pretty impressed with the cucumbers. The cucumbers was pretty good at 19.8 pounds, or 9 kilos of cucumbers for my first go. So folks, I'm pretty happy with that, and I hope you're having a very nice day out there, and I shall catch you next video. See you later.